61 divided by 4. Here 4 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 4. 4 times 0, 0. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. To find out the multiplication table of 4, just add 4 with the previous step. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. This process will continue. 4 goes into this 6 how many times? 4 times 2, 8, which is greater than 6, so 1 time. 1 time 4, 4. Subtract 2, bring down another digit, 21. 4 goes into 21 how many times? 6 times 24, which is greater, so 5 times. That gives us 20. 5 times 4, 20. Subtract 1. So our answer is 15, remainder 1. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal and add number of zeros. Bring down the 0. Before the 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 4 goes into 4 goes into 10 how many times? Okay, 2 times 8, then 3 times 12, which is greater, so 2 times actually. That gives us 8, right? 2 times 4, 8. Subtract 2, bring down another 0, 20. 4 goes into 20 how many times? 5 times, right? 5 times 4, 20. Subtract 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. So our answer is 15.25.